Hi guys, Chris here from Apollo Scooters. So today, I'm going to be walking you through the advanced settings of the controller of the Apollo Scooters. Examples of things that you can customize on your scooter are things such as cruise control, acceleration levels, regen levels, and even small things like changing your units from miles per hour to kilometers per hour, for example. So let's get straight to it. So when looking at your LED display, you have two buttons, the power button and the mode button. So hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on, and voila. So when looking at your display, you have the gears, which you have 1, 2, and 3. That affects your top speed of your scooter. Then you have the speedometer and odometer. Also, if you click the power button, you have your trip odometer here. And once more, you can see the voltage of your battery. Now, to access the advanced settings, just hold down mode and power button at the same time for 2 seconds, and it goes into these P settings, as you can see here. To change from one P setting to the next, you push the power button, and to change the actual P setting, you push mode. So you'll see it'll go back to normal after 3 seconds of inactivity. Just click it to go back. So I'll walk you through all the different P settings today. Starting with P1, this gives you access to the brightness of your speedometer. You have 3 options, 1, 2, and 3. We recommend it to leave it at 3, because it's always nice to have a little extra brightness. When you go to P2 setting, this gives you access to choose between kilometers per hour or miles per hour. So on 0, it's kilometers, on 1, it's miles. So P3 is the voltage of your battery. For the Apollo Lite, you either have a 36 or 48 volt, depending on which one you got. The City is 48, and the Pro and Explore is 52. P4 is the shut-off time for your scooter. Right now it's at 5 minutes. If you wanted, if there's no activity and you want it to be less, you can change that as well with the mode button. P5 is unused, so do not touch this. P6 is a wheel diameter. So on a Lite, it's 8-inch, on a City, it's 8.5-inch, and on an Explore and Pro, it's 10-inch. P7 is a number of magnets to your motor. This is literally just a calibration of your motor and your wheel size, so don't touch this. 28 is the optimal. So P8 is the power level. Right now you're at 100%. Anything over 100% is still going to remain at 100%, but this does go up to 200, but there's no difference between the two. P9 is the start method. So 0 is no kick and go, and when you push the throttle, it'll just go automatically. P1 is for added safety, and you have to kick and accelerate to actually go. P10, this is unused setting, so don't need to change anything on this. P11 is the regen capacity of your motor. So this goes up to a level of 5. You can put 0 or 5. What we recommend normally is to keep it at around 3. So it does really help recharge your battery when you're not accelerating or braking during your ride. P12 is your acceleration levels. This ranges from 0 to 5. We always recommend going on 5, but it depends on what you're comfortable with, of course, at the end of the day. P13 and P14 are unused. So P15 is the automatic scooter voltage shutdown level. This is already at a protected level, and it'll automatically turn off your battery even if your battery is not at 0%. It's normally put at 10% to really protect your battery cells in the long term. So we recommend not changing this overall, because we have calibrated this before sending you your beautiful Apollo scooter. P16 is a lifetime odometer reset. It only works for very limited kilometers or miles. Once you get to 100, it won't be able to reset anymore. Just a heads up on that. P17 is cruise control. So 0 is off, 1 is on. Again, we don't really recommend cruise control. It's always good to have control over your speed on an electric scooter for safety. So we would leave it at 0, but it depends on your commute and your personal use, of course. And then P18 to P20 are all unused, and you don't need any of these inside of it. And to just fix these in, you keep your 2 hands on it for 2 seconds, and voila, you're all set. So there you have it, guys. That's how to access and change the advanced settings in your Apollo scooter. We highly recommend to do this with caution, and if you have any questions that you're unsure of, please reach out to us on our website, and we'll be here to help you. Again, we've pre-calibrated everything for you during the quality inspection period, so there shouldn't be any crazy changes to do in terms of the magnets and everything else. So enjoy, have fun, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.